सो हे गाइस, सौरभ here. वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल कॉल इलेक्ट्रोकोड। तो सबसे पहले आई एम रियली सॉरी गाइस। शायद आप लोगों में से काफ़ी लोगों को ये लग रहा होगा कि मैंने 1 महीने से वीडियो क्यों नहीं डाला है। तो उसका रीज़न ये है गाइस कि मेरे रूम का रिनोवेशन का काम चल रहा था, तो उसको ख़त्म होते होते 1 महीने से ज़्यादा लग गया। सो उसी की वजह से वीडियो आना थोड़ा देरी हो गया वीडियो आने में, राइट। But कोई बात नहीं, today I am came back with a new project for you guys. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make your own Stream Deck, right? Stream Deck using an Arduino Leonardo, an MPR121 touch sensor, and an OLED display. So without any further delay, let's jump into the project. So these are the components we need. First in Arduino Leonardo. Second is a MPR121 touch sensor. Third is an OLED display. Fourth is a 0 PCB board to connect the circuit. Fifth is the female connector pins. Sixth is our conductive tape. And yeah, some jumper wires. So these are all the components that we need to make this project. This project uses the MPR121 touch sensor with 6 touch buttons. Each one is programmed to launch a specific app or website like Chrome, Gmail, YouTube, and even system settings or MS Word. You know, this project actually started because I got tired of switching between apps every time I was editing videos or design some circuits. At first, I thought about getting a real Stream Deck, but when I saw the price, I thought, why not build my own? It could be cheaper and way more fun. I already had an Arduino Leonardo, which can act like a keyboard, and this MPR121 touch sensor, which I bought for another project but never used. So I started sketching out some ideas like what if each touchpad could open an app I use every day, like Chrome for searching, Gmail to check my mails, YouTube Studio, even MS Word for script like this one. And to make it more cooler, I added this OLED screen to show what I am launching with a sliding text animation just for that professional feel. At this point, it wasn't just about saving money anymore, it was about learning, experimenting, and making something truly mine. And honestly, soldering these wires, coding this touch sensor and Arduino, and watching it all come together, that's the part I love the most. In the end, I didn't just build a tool, I built something that makes my workflow smoother, looks awesome on my decks, and taught me so much along the way. So yeah, that's why I made this DIY Stream Deck instead of buying one. Hope it inspires you to build your own too. So as you can see, our Stream Deck is completely assembled. I have connected the OLED display, the sensor, and the touchpads in it, right? So let me explain something about the touchpad first. So if you touch this part, then my computer will open, and this one will open the Google Chrome, YouTube, Gmail, settings, and Word. So according to your choices, you can increase the number of touchpads and change the different operation inside the Arduino code, right? And also let me show you the back side of it. So this is how I have connected my Arduino Leonardo to my Stream Deck. This is the supply pin, this is the SCL SDA pins, right? So the only thing is left is to upload the Arduino codes into it and test our project. So without any further ado, let's upload the Arduino codes and test it out. Let's do this. In the code, first we include the libraries for the OLED display, MPR121 touch sensor, and the keyboard.h library. Remember, only the Leonardo Pro Micro or similar boards can emulate a real keyboard using USB, which is the secret behind this working Stream Deck. Inside the setup function, we initialize the serial monitor and keyboard. Then check if the MPR121 sensor and OLED display are connected properly. Finally, the OLED shows a welcome message Stream Deck. In the loop function, it continuously checks which touch pin is activated from pin 3 to 8. When a pin is touched, it grabs the index and performs two tasks. First one, to show the label like Gmail with a sliding animation, And the second one simulates a Windows Win plus R key press, types the launch command and press enter. The slide text function gives a smooth sliding text effect on the OLED. It scrolls the app name from the right side of the screen to the center just for the nice visual feedback. The launch function uses Windows Run Win plus R to open each app. For example, touching Chrome types Chrome, touching Setting types MS Setting, and touching Gmail or YouTube opens the corresponding website. And that's it. Our Steam Deck Arduino code is ready to upload. Okay, so as you can see, I have already connected my Steam Deck to the PC. Okay, and also you can see the screen recording of my PC right now. Right, so I'm gonna show you how my Steam Deck is work. Right, so let's test it out. First, we will open the my PC. So you can see on the screen the my PC is open. Okay, and also in the OLED screen it's showing my PC. Okay, now let's open Gmail. So here it is, you can see on the screen Gmail has been opened, and also in the OLED screen the Gmail is showing. Now let's open YouTube. Okay, so now the YouTube has been opened also. Right, now let's go for settings. See, the setting is also been opened. Okay, now let's go for our MS Word. Okay, you can see the MS Word been opened really well. Okay, so as you can see, our Steam Deck is working really fine, and all our Arduino programming, our circuit is also working really fine. Okay, so I hope you guys love this video. इस प्रोजेक्ट में यूज हुए आर्डिनो कोड और सर्किट डायग्राम का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. वहां जाके आप खुद से डाउनलोड करके ये वाला प्रोजेक्ट बनाने का ट्राई कर सकते हो. एंड ऑल्सो गाइस, इफ यू रियली लव दिस वीडियो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव इट अ थम्स अप, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, टेल मी हाउ मच यू लव इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Until then, see you in the next one. Peace out.